Hey, Ken from Metalmedic here at MTE. I just want to give you a quick rundown on our push-pull bars. This is the 18-inch version. We have a 36-inch version. And the reason I'm doing this because we haven't even started. It's early Friday morning, and we sold a bunch of these yesterday from people that are here, and like 15, I don't know, we're up to 17 on the website. So we don't have many, long story short, we don't have many left. So I want to document how to use these so when you come back, you can see how they work. We order them on the website. Anyway, so this is 18-inch. Okay, we got, it's kind of, don't have dent lights in here, but there's a pretty big hack here. And what you want to do is you want to find like the edge of it and then put your tabs just beyond that edge. You don't want to get down in that dip. So we're going to use the short tabs. These pins here were basically there so you could use the pull option, but you can leave them on. If you don't want to, you pull them out, and they have a self-storage slot right there. You can put them there. But anyways, I kind of like them on the shorter one. I leave them on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to preset how far apart I want with this really slick slide button adjusting nut. So we're going to probably put it about, well, just about that wide, just right on the edge of this thing here. So, okay, I'm going to flip that over, and I'm going to grab the glue that I recommend. This is my hero glue, and it's specifically matched, or I specifically found a material that works best with this on these tabs. So I like a nice hot gun. If you got a hot enough gun, well, we got a short stroke on this. We could line it up. Get enough on there, you can probably get it all done in once and flip it to where you want it. Okay. Well, because the key is going to be to get these straightened up. I mean, you can put one here and one there, but I mean, you probably want to like put a marker across here to get them lined up. So we'll let that set a little bit. It was pretty hot. The hotter you get the hero glue, the better. That activates all the good stuff in it. But we didn't do any prep on this. Matt, the dent slayer, came and got my alcohol to set something up for the porta power boots. So, but if you got good glue, you really don't got to go through like 20 minutes of prep. So anyway, see, she's still hot. Another thing I do is I don't use a temperature gun because the best temperature gun is right here, back of your fingers. Okay, the ends of your fingers are not quite 98 degrees like your core body temperature. They're a little low. They're anywhere from 82 to 84 degrees. So if you're feeling the back of the tab and it feels hot, you're probably above 90 degrees. So when it comes down and it just feels warm, or you can barely feel any warmth, you're probably at the right temperature to pull. This hero glue likes to pull at 85 to 95 degrees, right in there. Now, under 70, it's just going to cake and crystallize. It's not going to do anything. I'm telling you that right now. Under 70 degrees, you don't want this. You would have to heat your panel, get it back up to around 90 degrees. So anyways, she's still kind of set up, but I don't know if we got her set up enough. We'll put a little tension on it. I don't want it to pop loose. It's still, I can put my fingers here and I can still feel some heat. So that's probably 110 degrees yet. And a little mushy. So we'll give it a second and we'll talk about the tabs that go with it. If you buy just the bar, these 3x2 tabs come with it, okay? Now you can get a kit with two of these, either two 18-inchers, two 36-inchers, or one 18 and one 36-inch. And both the bars come with them as standard equipment. You buy a kit, you will get two 6x2 tabs and two multi-tabs. Now these multi-tabs are pretty cool. You can use it like that, and also, hang on, we have a tow hook. People are liking this, a little tow bar that goes in there. You can unscrew this, and that will come out, you put it in, so you can get really close to the panel and pull. So you get 2 of these multi-tabs, and the added feature in multi-tab that Dent Slayer Matt and I come up with is this, and I modified this from the original one. We did not have that in there before, but this goes on, clamps on your porter power foot, and that will go in there so that doesn't come out when you're working on a dent and the tension comes out. Otherwise your porter power just falls out. That has a little tongue and groove that's going to go and hold that in there. So that will come with the kit. And if you buy the kit, buy a set of these and a tow bar, you pretty much have my whole GPDR system. All right, let's see what happens here. I don't know if you can see this dent here or not. I kind of smashed it up, but this is hand tighten only. Okay, this is a tension bar. It's not a spreader bar. You want a spreader bar, use the porter power. See, we're getting quite a bit of tension on here already. Okay. See how it's starting to dive here a little bit. Now you got to be careful. You'd probably want to start working that now. If these come down, start diving like that, you're going to do more damage right here than what's there. So you kind of got to watch that. But we'll just go and see what happens here. This may pop out. Okay, we're getting real tight. So anyway, there. So about then, now you'd want to start pushing that dent, and then keep cranking and spreading it out. So that's how that's what's going on here. So anyways, that's the rundown on the push-pull kits. So come by booth 327 and check them out. Hopefully I'll still have them here by the time you get here. Anyways, thank you.